Look what they're selling in Walmart. A special edition of Diamond Dotz diamond painting, really very nice ones, partial and full. This is a puppy, really very cute one. Only $10 each. The butterflies, I'm getting the butterflies because of course I have to get something. A couple. At the sunset it is also partial. The figures are not diamond painted. These beautiful flowers, I wanted to purchase them, but then it looks kind of pixelated in here. The cat, I'm not purchasing it because it is partial, just as the puppy, although they are really very cute. And the Sea World, let me take it out and show it to you, also is partial. Only the turtle is diamond painted and a few coral reefs. So just check out your local Walmart if you like any of these designs. $10 each. Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And I'm very sorry that I didn't greet you in the beginning of the video. I was just very excited to see diamond paintings in Walmart. Last time I saw diamond paintings in Walmart in 2017 or in 2018, and after that they were sold online but never in physical stores, at least not in my area. That is why when I saw it today I was really very happy and pleasantly surprised. In any case, I ended up purchasing these very cute butterflies. That was one of the full round drill diamond painting kits. The rest were partial. I cannot say that I fell in love with the design, but out of all, I liked it the best. Besides, this one has the areas where I can replace resin drills with sparklers. And I do not recollect seeing these designs, that I saw in Walmart, on Diamond Dot's official website, or anywhere else. So in any case, let's open this kit and see what's inside. As always, let's start with the canvas. The canvas is a little bit unusual for Diamond Dotz. As you can see, on the back side, it is kind of like short lint canvas, very similar to it. It is very soft here. On the back side, it is not velvet like DAC, but very similar to short lint one on the back. And on the top, it is just a regular vinyl canvas, just very similar to DAC one, again on the front. So this canvas, if you follow my channel, this canvas is very similar to the kit Yellow Dress that I diamond painted. It was the kit from Leisure Arts inspired by Diamond Dotz, and the canvas was very, very similar. So this is my baby kit. The size is 27 by 35 centimeters, or let's round it up, 10 by 14 inches, roughly speaking. It is a baby kit. I do not usually diamond paint such small designs, but I was really very surprised to find out that for such small kit, it contains 36 colors, which is a lot. So this is the full round drill diamond painting kit. This kit comes with resin drills only. The symbol printing is very clear. No round wheels on the no black wheels on the symbols. And I opened it already for my Russian speaking channel, but I should admit that this pattern, this canvas, the rendering is not color related, which I like. If you follow my channel, you know that I love non-related canvases, not color related canvases. So the glue is poured glue. The adhesive is poured glue. Oh my god, it is pretty strong, actually. It is strong. And these are beautiful butterflies. So now let's see the drills. To my surprise, the drills are a little bit brighter than on the original picture, and I like it. I think that the butterflies should be brighter. And again, as you can see, they are not really very, like, the canvas is not very color related. Like, for example, these are really very bright pink colors. The camera doesn't show them as bright. It takes like brightness away. I'm not sure why. And for example, this color is very bluish, no, pinky bluish bright. You do not see it on the camera, but just the colors are at least one shade brighter than what you see on the camera. I'm not sure why. It is not shown on the screens. Why the colors are not as bright as they are in real life. But I assume that the design will turn out really very pretty and bright. Here are the colors. Lots of pink, lots of yellow, and a lot of gray and brown color that goes on the background. I guess it would be the most boring part, the background. And I'm thinking of replacing a few colors with crystals, of course on the butterflies, some bright colors, maybe pink colors, purple, blue, yellow. I'm not sure yet. I need to think about it. So I paid $10 for the kit. It is pretty cheap. I'm sure that the drills are of a good quality, but I can already see that they're not as faceted as, regular diamond dot ones. They are of a good quality, but not as faceted. They're very similar to maybe decent quality AliExpress drills, maybe like an Ever Moment or something like this. I think I will start working on this canvas once I finish this beautiful kit from Diamond Dots. This is a square drill, full pasting area. Also from Diamond Dots, Christmas window. If you are subscribed to my Facebook page, you can see the updates on the progress of this diamond painting. It is 40 by 50, but I like to rotate small and big designs and round and square drills. So once I'm done with this one, with a square drill diamond painting, I will work on a small round drill one, and most likely it will be this kit. And yes, as you can see on the box, Diamond Dots put only finished diamond paintings on their boxes. As you can see, the colors are way brighter than on the on the canvas rendering. So I'm really very excited to start working on this kit, and once I do, I will definitely make an update. Thank you so much for watching, and hope your Walmart also sells these very nice kits. Bye.